All right, so finally getting together, checking out the new harness. Martin found what him and I both say is the last Series 1 harness on the face of the earth. He found it at, what's that place? I'll put it in the title. Anyway, they're in Nottingham, England, so our joke is Robin Hood stole it from the rich so we could have it, because there isn't another one on the face of the earth. The one thing I like so far about it, just taking it out of the bag, is it actually has sub-harnesses. Like, let me see if I can... Like, there's the one. I mean, the other one had this, too. That's for the generator. That's an easy one. Tuck that baby right here. Okay. But it had a bunch of other sub-harnesses, which is really cool. There's one. Still need to go through everything and identify it. But the other harness did not come with this many sub-harnesses. I'm just going to set these all up here. They're out of the way. See, there's a sub-harness for the generator that was an old one. And also, the quality. Here's the old one. It's got like this shitty vinyl tape, where this has factory style fabric. I mean, ay caramba. Look at that. Damn. Way better. So, higher quality. Names almost come back to me. Something Sparks. Yes, that harness has been on my floor for God knows how long. And yes, every time I walk by it, it pisses me off. Positive news. Well, I don't know if it's positive or... It's not really positive. But yeah, they still haven't found it. So, I'm trying to figure out. But look at that. That's for, I believe, the tail lights. Yeah. Tail lights, and I think the fuel sender's up in here somewhere. But man, that's way nicer. See? Sub-harness. Looks good. But man, the quality of this is so much better. I'm just so impressed. Really, really impressed. So, anyway, this is all our engine bay goodness right here. This is fuse block and voltage regulator land. And that would be driver's side headlamps and turn signals. That would be horn on driver's side. So, we can just start kind of laying this out. I am going to put this down on the floor with the other one, so you can see the difference in quality. Alright, so like here's some of the dash lights. In fact, this is the same piece. Okay, so that right there, that's the same. But notice the quality of the wire. I know, like, it's like, here, feel this. Sorry, you can't do that. It's video. It feels much better. It's much softer, much more flexible. And then you get to here where they're wrapped, and this is in this hokey tape bullshit. And this is all nice. This nice fabric, properly wrapped. Mucho better. Mucho better.